question asks about my hair routine and this DIY hair mask. And guys, do you know what is it? It is mayonnaise, and this mayonnaise will be in your refrigerator definitely. I'm sure everybody has mayonnaise at home, because without mayonnaise you can't make those yummy sandwiches, burgers and Russian salad sandwiches. Yes, I make Russian salad for my family, but believe me guys, I do not like to eat mayonnaise at all. But yes, I love to put mayonnaise in my hair, and this mayonnaise hair treatment is one of the best home remedies. This will make your hair very soft, silky and smooth. And if you have dry, damaged hair, or you've done a lot of chemicals treatments in your hair, if you're going to use this mayonnaise hair mask, you will see instant results at the first use. We all know mayonnaise has egg and olive oil, which helps to nourish and condition your scalp, and it also strengthens your root and promotes hair growth. Oh my god, can you imagine? Mayonnaise is such a miracle hair mask which promotes your hair growth, and we all love long, thick and beautiful hair. With this, if you're going to apply this at least in a month 2 or 3 times, you will see instant results at the first use. Believe me guys, this is one of the best hair masks. I just love this mayonnaise hair mask. And guys, since mayonnaise has vinegar, this treats your dandruff also. Can you believe it? So if you have a lot of dandruff during the winters, many people have this problem. They had a lot of dandruff during the winters. So if you have dandruff, this will treat your dandruff definitely. So do apply this hair mask. It's so easy to use and it's so quick, and with this also your hair will become soft, silky and smooth, and it promotes hair growth. What else you need? Mayonnaise does this such a great job, which is in the bottle. Many people just eat it. But do you know it's so good for your hair? And I just love using mayonnaise. If you want that long, thick and beautiful hair and you don't want any hair problems, then definitely you must try this mayonnaise hair mask, which is super easy to use it. So guys, let's check it out, how to apply this mayonnaise hair mask. So let's go. To make this hair mask, you will need 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and you can take mayonnaise according to your hair length. And then you will need coconut oil. We will put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We will put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And we'll mix it. First, we will just dye my hair with the plain water. Just clip our hair. So I clip my hair, and now we will start from the behind section and we'll apply this hair mask. Now let's see what this mayonnaise hair mask does to your hair. Mayonnaise has eggs, oils, vinegar, which helps to promote hair growth, and it also protects your colored hair, and it also treats dandruff because it has vinegar, and vinegar is very effective for your hair. It balances pH level and oil production. If you have lice in your hair, or your children have lice in their hair, if you apply a good amount of this hair mask in your hair, then this will help to suffocate and kill those lice. Do try it out if you're suffering with lice in your hair. This is one of the best hair masks for dry, damaged and frizzy hair, or any hair problems if you have. This will solve all your hair problems just by using this simple hair mask, which is just in your refrigerator. You don't need to go anywhere, and this will does miracles to your hair. It makes your hair very soft, silky and smooth, and it also promotes hair growth. Guys, you must definitely try this hair mask, and you will definitely see the results in first use. So guys, I've applied in my whole hair and now I'm tying my hair in a bun. And now I'll just put shower cap. If you have a shower cap, you can put shower cap, or you can just put a plastic bag, whatever you have. And I'm just going to keep it for 1 hour. So guys, I washed my hair and my hair is so soft, so silky and so smooth, and my hair is giving such a nice shine, and this hair mask is really so good and I'm just loving it. You must definitely try this hair mask. This hair mask will make your hair very soft, silky and smooth, and if you have any hair problems, this will also solve all your hair problems and it will give your hair a healthy growth. So guys, this was my video for today, and if you enjoyed this video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do share with all your friends. I'll see you soon with my next exciting video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye guys, love you all.